What's up, guys? Quick little random video here. Traxxas has their Mini Madness sale going on right now. What it is from February 1st to February 28th. They have the Mini XRT, the Mini Rally VXL, Mini Slash 4x4, and the Mini Max all on sale. You can order them online or at your local dealer. The Mini XRT is $40 off. The Mini Rally VXL is $40 off. The Mini Slash 4x4 is $40 off. And the Mini Max is $20 off. I'll drop some links below. If you want to order them online through their site, you can also order them through your local dealers. Not everyone has a local dealer nearby, but yeah, check out the links below. It's a great deal. If you scroll back through some of my old videos, you can see each of these rigs flying around in the dirt. You see mine's got a couple little booms on it, but other than that, they keep on going. Yeah, go grab them while you can before the deal's gone. Remember, February 28th. Links are below.